Since we have started differentiation, and till now what we have done the rules of differentiation and derivatives of standard functions and derivatives of composite functions. So today we'll see the derivatives of inverse function. Before that, we should know what is inverse function. Let's start. So we have seen in differentiation and derivatives के लिए we have seen if y is equal to fx, मतलब y is a function of x. So it can we can also write like this, fx is a function ना, so it can be x minus 10 या x plus 10, ठीक है? So fx is a function of x, that is x plus 10, ठीक है? Now y is a function of x, so हम y को denote करते हैं fx से, right? So dy derivatives of y with respect to x हम find out करते थे. What we were doing? We were doing dfx divided by dx. Okay, it means dx plus 10 in this case x plus 10 divided by dx. तो ये क्या होगा? x dx upon dx will be 1 and constant upon dx d किसी भी constant का derivative with respect to x will be 0, so it will be 1. Okay, now we have to find out the inverse function, derivatives of inverse function देखने के लिए we'll see the same case. Will take y is equal to fx and fx is equal to x plus 10. Y is equal to fx, okay, and so inverse of f inverse of y will be equal to x. Okay, f inverse y लिखेंगे तो that will be equal to x. Now x की जगह we'll put this one, okay, and y की जगह fx की जगह fx is equal to y and f dash y is equal to x. Okay, so this will be y and this is f dash y. Okay, f dash y is equal to x plus 10. Now we have to find out the inverse value का so f inverse y will be equal to y minus 10. Okay, so this way we can find out the inverse. This is one-to-one functions and y is equal to fx के case में this is a real function, so then only we can find out, we'll be able to find out the inverse of y का जो inverse function है that we can find out. Okay, now one more thing, the second thing that inverse of dy by dx. So dx upon dy, if you have to find out, it means 1 upon dy by dx. Okay, so 1 upon dy by dx will be equal to dx upon dy. So in some cases if you have something is given like y is given and with respect to x, you can you'll be able to find out. And but the question may they are asking x with derivative of x with respect to y, you have to that is the final solution wo find out karna hai. So what you'll do, dy by dx, you know how to find out dy by dx, and uska inverse will do 1 upon this one, that will be equal to dx upon dy. Okay, so we have a question, we have to find out the rate of change of demand, that is x. Demand is denoted by x and with respect to price, that is denoted by y. If y is given like this, अगर x ऐसे function given y का function के term में x given रहता, then we can easily find out dx upon dy. But in this case, y is a function of x, it is given like this. Y is a function of x and we have to find out the rate of change of demand, that is denoted by x. So we have to find out the rate of change of demand x with respect to price, that is y. So x का derivative we have to find out with respect to y. मतलब basically what we have to find out, we have to find out dx upon dy. Okay, but by this one what we can find out, we can find out dy by dx. हम dy by dx find out कर सकते हैं. So dy by dx will be equal to, okay, प्लस के टर्म में है, so d20 divided by dx plus d15x divided by dx plus dx square divided by dx. Okay, so it will be 0 because any constant value, when we have to find out the derivative of any constant value with respect to x, it will be 0 and 15x will be 15 and x square के लिए 2x. Okay, so what we are getting, what value we are getting, 2x plus 15. Okay, so this is the dy by dx. Now dx upon dy will be equal to 1 upon dy by dx होगा. So 1 upon, and what is the value of dy by dx? That is 2x plus 15. So this will be our answer, जो कि हमें dy dx upon dy चाहिए, तो this is the value of dx upon dy. Okay. So we have a question given. Find the rate of change of demand, that is x, with respect to y. मतलब we have to find out the derivative of x with respect to y if y is given. Okay. But y is given, so we can find out the derivative of y. Similar question जो पहले किया था, same question. So derivative of y we can find out with respect to x, and inverse of that will be equal to dx upon dy, and we have to find out dx upon dy. So first of all we will find out the value of dy by dx. क्या होगा उसका value? Okay, 5 को हम differentiate करेंगे with respect to x. So what will be the value? 0, because that is a constant. Okay. Now इसको हम differentiate करेंगे तो क्या होगा? U and v के term में will take. Okay. So first of all we'll keep this value constant, and then we'll find out the derivative of this one. So what we'll get? क्या होगा? Minus आएगा सामने. Okay. Minus we'll get and e to the power minus x. ठीक है. Now plus क्या करेंगे? e to the power minus x को हम constant रखेंगे, then we'll find out the derivative of this one. So this will be 2x. Okay, ये होगा. Now again this is 2x, तो 2x को differentiate करेंगे, we'll get 2. Okay. Okay. So by differentiating this, we'll get this one. Okay. So the value what we are getting, 2 plus 2x e to the power minus x minus x square e to the power minus x. ठीक है. So this value we got by differentiating this one. So we have to find out the value of dx upon dy. So it will be equal to 1 upon dy upon dx. So it will be 1 upon 2 plus 2x e to the power minus x minus x square e to the power minus x. So this is the value of dx upon dy. Okay, this value is dx upon dy. Okay. So we'll see one more question. Then again the same thing we have to do. Demand is x and we have to find out demand with respect to price, that is y, and y is given like this. Okay, and we have to find out dx upon dy. So first of all we'll be able to find out dy upon dx. So dy upon dx का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? If y is equal to u upon v, तो फॉर्मूला क्या होता है? What will be the formula? v into du minus u into dv divided by v square. Okay. So now u and v का value हम put करेंगे. So v is this one. So we'll write here 2x square plus 5. Okay. And du. Du upon dx, and this is dv upon dx. Okay. So du upon dx मतलब d 3x plus 7 divided by dx minus u is 3x plus 7 into d this one 2x square plus 5 divided by dx divided by v square. V square is 2x square plus 5 का whole square. ठीक है. Now we do this 2x square plus 5, and this will be 3 plus 0. So we'll write here 3 minus 3x plus 7 multiplied by 2x square का क्या होगा? 2 into 2 4x plus 0. So it will be 4x divided by 2x square plus 5 का whole square. Now we'll multiply this. 3 से when we'll multiply this one, we'll get 3 into 2 6 x square plus 5 to 3 15. Okay, minus 4x into 3x. 4x into 3x will be 12x square, and 4x plus 7 will be 4x multiplied by 7 will be 4 7s are 28x. So minus 28x. Okay, divided by 2x square plus 5 whole square. So it will be minus 6x square and minus 28x plus 15 divided by 2x square plus 5 whole square. Okay, so this will be the value of dy upon dx, and we have to find out this one. So dx upon dy will be equal to 1 upon dy upon dx, and that will be equal to 1 upon this one. So okay, so this will be 2x square plus 5 whole square divided by minus 6x square minus 28x plus 15. Okay, so this will be the answer. This will be the value of dx upon dy. Okay, so we have a question. We have to find out dx upon dy if y ka value is given 5x plus 9 divided by 2x minus 10. Okay, so what you'll do, again we'll apply this formula. dy upon dx के लिए क्या होता है, if y is equal to u divided by v, तो if y is equal to u upon v है, so what we'll do, first of all v को constant du upon dx minus u को constant dv upon dx, okay, divided by v square. Okay, ये होता है ना formula. So applying this formula, just put the value. This is u and this is v. Okay, so what will be the value of dy upon dx क्या होगा? v is, v को हम कांस्टेंट रखेंगे तो 2x minus 10 को कांस्टेंट, then we have to find out du क्या है, 5x plus 9 divided by dx. Okay, minus, now u को कांस्टेंट रखेंगे, that is 5x plus 9, and we'll find out dv upon dx. So v is 2x minus 10 divided by dx. Okay, and v का square. Okay, so 2x minus 10 का whole square. So first of all, this is as it is हम लिख लेंगे because this is constant, and now we have to differentiate this one. तो 5x है तो it will be 5 and plus 0. So 5 minus 5x plus 9 and multiplied by 2x minus 10, तो it will be 2. इसको differentiate करेंगे we'll get 2, and constant को differentiate करके we'll get 0. Okay, so divided by 2x minus 10 will be का square. Now 5 into 2, 10x minus 50, 10x minus 50, 5 into 10. Okay, minus 2 into 5, 10x, and 2 into 9 minus that will be 18, and यहाँ minus है, so minus 18 divided by 2x minus 10 का whole square. Okay, 10x cancel. Now minus 50 and minus 18. Okay, so minus 50 and minus 18 will be equal to क्या होगा, या minus ही है ना, yes minus है, so it will be minus 68 divided by 2x minus 10 का whole square. Okay, now this is the value of dy upon dx, and we have to find out the value of dx upon dy. So dx upon dy will be equal to 2x minus 10 का whole square divided by minus 68. ठीक है, so this will be the value of dx upon dy. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.